Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Welcome back to my channel, and thank you, everyone, for joining me here today. This is your daily news report and fourth stimulus check update. President Biden's $1.2 trillion infrastructure bill has finally passed through the Senate. So now the American people can finally begin to receive more crisis relief assistance. There are also some new legislative proposals that may affect you financially as well. This coming Friday, everyone, I'll be announcing 3 more winners of my Amazon gift card giveaway. To enter my giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also leave a comment below. Thank you so much, everyone. With a robust vote after weeks of fits and starts, the Senate approved a $1 trillion bipartisan infrastructure plan on Tuesday, which was a rare coalition of Democrats and Republicans joining forces to overcome skeptics and deliver a cornerstone of President Biden's agenda. The 69-30 tally provides momentum for this first phase of Biden's Build Back Better priorities. Now it's headed to the House. A sizable number of lawmakers showed that they were willing to set aside partisan pressures, eager to send billions to their states for rebuilding roads, broadband, internet, water pipes, and the public work systems that underpin much of the American life. Infrastructure was once a mainstay of lawmaking, but the weeks-long slog to strike a compromise showed how hard it has become for Congress to tackle routine legislating, even on shared priorities. There were some Republicans that were celebrating along with Democrats. Senator Rob Portman of Ohio, the lead Republican negotiator, said, "What we are doing here today also demonstrates to the American people that we can get our act together on a bipartisan basis to get something done. We can do big things."
Madam President, my Republican colleagues are upset that we are using the reconciliation process and only 50 votes to pass this budget. They're very upset about that. But let us be clear. This idea of using reconciliation is certainly not a new idea. When Republicans controlled the Senate, they used reconciliation to pass trillions of dollars in tax breaks to the top 1% and large corporations. When Republicans controlled the Senate, they used reconciliation to make climate change worse by opening up the Arctic National Wildlife Refuge to oil drilling. When Republicans controlled the Senate, they tried to use reconciliation to repeal the Affordable Care Act and throw 32 million Americans off of the health care they had. Well, today it is true. We will also use reconciliation, but we will do it in a different way. We will use it to help the working families of our country and not just the wealthy and the powerful. Madam President, it is no great secret that millions of Americans are giving up on democracy, are moving toward authoritarianism, and are losing faith in their government.
Democratic Majority Leader Chuck Schumer of New York told reporters, "There has been detours and everything else, but this will do a whole lot of good for America." The outline for Biden's bigger $3.5 trillion package is next up for the Senate, a more liberal undertaking of child care, elder care, and other programs that is much more partisan and expected to draw only Democratic support. That debate is expected to extend into the fall this year. Tuesday's Infrastructure Investment and Jobs Act started with a group of 10 senators who seized on Biden's campaign promise to draft a scaled-down version of his initial $2.3 trillion proposal, one that could more broadly appeal to both parties in the narrowly divided Congress, especially the 50-50 Senate. It swelled to a 2,700-page bill backed by the president and also business, labor, and farm interests. It drew an expansive alliance of senators and a bipartisan group in the House. In all, 19 Republicans joined all Democrats in voting for Senate passage. Vice President Kamala Harris, as presiding officer, announced the final tally. While liberal lawmakers said the package does not go far enough as a down payment on Biden's priorities, and conservatives said it's too costly and should be more fully paid for, the coalition of centrist senators was able to hold. Even broadsides from the former president could not bring down the bill. The top Democratic negotiator, Senator Kristen Sinema, said rarely will a piece of legislation affect so many Americans. Drafted during this crisis, the bill would provide $65 billion for broadband, a provision Senator Susan Collins had negotiated because she said the crisis showed that such service is no longer a luxury, it is a necessity. States will receive money to expand their broadband and make it more affordable to millions of Americans. Congress passed sweeping changes to the United States retirement system with the Secure Act of 2019. And now there are a pair of bipartisan bills in the House and the Senate that aim to build on that law. Nicknamed Secure 2.0, the House bill received unanimous approval from the House Ways and Means Committee back in May and currently has 59 co-sponsors. The Senate bill, named the Retirement Security and Savings Act, has not made as much progress. However, experts are optimistic about the future of these similar proposals. Both bills would expand the catch-up contribution savers for age 50 and older, which will make 401k plans and individual retirement accounts, and then increase the required minimum distributions at age 75. Student loan borrowers are still waiting for signs that their debt may be forgiven, but cancellation was not part of President Biden's infrastructure plan or budget request to Congress. The United States Department of Justice and the United States Department of Education are currently reviewing Biden's legal authority to forgive student debt through executive action. If Biden does not get the green light, Congress will need to approve the measure. Meanwhile, President Biden extended the pause on student loan payments through January 2022, this past Friday, so right now borrowers may not see movement until next year. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer and Senator Elizabeth Warren recently renewed their calls for President Biden to forgive up to $50,000 in federal student loans per borrower. However, experts say $10,000 may be more realistic. So everyone, what proposed bills do you think that Congress should pass? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. So that's the end of the video for this morning, everyone. Thank you so much for being here today. I truly, greatly appreciate it. I hope you found some of this information helpful. Also, don't forget that this coming Friday, I will be announcing 3 more winners of my Amazon gift card giveaway. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a wonderful and blessed Tuesday.